Today I'm going to take you through an example of SIFT-PROOF working on a real case. This is the case 4 rerun of the Ali Hadi challenge, encrypt them all. This is a real and publicly available DFIR competition image. My environment is well set up, as you can see, and the investigation is launched with a fresh flag which initializes a clean database for this session. Iteration 1. The agent calls start investigation. The coverage system initializes with 4 mandatory artifact categories: execution artifacts, persistence mechanisms, file system timeline, and user activity. All 4 are missing, and the agent has work to do. And then iteration 2. The agent calls the getMFT timeline tool. This is where the cap removal matters. Previous runs of this case were only constrained to 20,000 MFT records. That ceiling has been removed and raised to 500,000. As you can see in the results, over 125,000 records were retrieved from the entire file system. All have been hashed and logged into the database. And then iteration 3, 0 amcache records were got. Because this image has no amcache hive, the agent notes it down and just moves forward. It doesn't flag it as suspicious, it simply collects more evidence. Iteration 4, 184 execution signatures extracted natively. Every program that ever ran on this machine logged by Windows itself. In iteration 5, 6 registry run keys were found, so persistence mechanisms confirmed. This is where things start to get interesting. Iteration 7. The agent samples the MFT to orient itself, sees a standard Windows installation and starts building the picture. Now watch iteration 8 closely. The agent queries for web server paths, XAMPP, IIS, www root, and finds 0 results. A hallucination-prone system might have escalated that anyway. This one doesn't. The evidence said no. The agent accepted that and corrected course, and it's a standard endpoint triage from here. From iteration 9 through 13, the agent is sweeping every angle: registry run keys, app data, temp directories, scheduled tasks, prefetch and system binaries, and it finds 6 run keys, all standard Windows software, installers in downloads, nothing was staged, 0 scheduled tasks, every non-system binary, legitimate, every single query, nothing. Now, from iteration 14 through 17, event log deep dive. The agent queries process creation and finds 0 records, queries logon events and finds 0 records, pulls the full event table and finds 19 records for failed logon attempts. That is it. No privilege escalation, no lateral movement, no suspicious authentication found. Iteration 18, the agent performs a large file sweep, looking for staged payloads, data exfiltration prep, and files over 5 megabytes, including Windows and program file directories, and finds 0 results. The encryption artifacts on this image, the GPG installer, the 7-zip tool, have no supporting behavior evidence of malicious use. Encryption is not malice. From iteration 19 through 23, the agent submits 3 claims. All SQL confirmed, the 7-zip installer in downloads, the over 125,000 MFT records, 184 prefetch signatures, including T1105 etc. All benign. Coverage hits 100%. All 4 mandatory categories covered, and the agent concludes 6 registry run keys, legitimate, 19 event log records, all failed logons, no malicious service, no web shells, no dropped payloads, 3 findings confirmed, 0 malicious. The case is closed. And that's basically SIFT-PROOF. Every finding is SQL backed. Every claim is assertion gated. The system saw encryption artifacts, standard installers, and legitimate software, and it correctly found nothing, because evidence drives conclusion, not inference. not assumption, and that is the whole point.